Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a organizable chart on Google Docs. And this is very simple. First of all, open a Google Docs, go to Insert, go to Drawing and click on New. Then right here first we need to write down a rectangle. So what we need to do now is click on Rectangle, Shapes, Rectangle, and please create a rectangle that you like. Something like this. Then right now we do Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And then right now we can, every time where we do Ctrl V, we can paste the boxes where we want that. So something like this. So right now if we double click here in this box, we can place here Boss. Let's place here Sales Manager. Let's place here something like secretary, and let's say do here something like MR manager. Then what we need to do is we click on the box, click on line, click on this, and please put that one here. Click on this box, line, click on the purple dot and place it to there. Click on this box, line, there, and put it there. And then click on this box, there to there. And then we can put something right here. Let's say Tommy. Now this is the organizable chart that we like. Now then we do save and close. And right now we have it just right here in our Google Docs. So this was in a nutshell how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.